everybody southbound timing. Because he just had to go meet that northbound that was moving in the siding. Oh, it's another coal train. 58:27 and 92:43 lead. Another Jimmix coal? What? It was another Coley this whole time. He's going like 10 right now. I bet it's another 2x3 loaded this time. You think I could outrun this train right now?
No.
How fast is it going?
At least 15, 20 maybe.
Jeez, it took him 1 minute to get to the other crossing. Wait a minute, it sounds like another train. Maybe a UP could be coming in now.
Maybe.
I think after this there's a UP. Maybe. But BNSF and UP cannot run at the same time. See something. I think after this is most likely a Union Pacific. After this one, please. Cannot see the end. Is he going like 30 yet? Nah, he's made to 40. Thought this was an auto rack, but like an NS trailing, because I have not seen an auto train all year. But it's not. It was a loaded Jimmix coal. DP alright, you guys. DPs are coming up. Jeez. This is a dusty one. Alright, 93:23, 85:54, and 91:12. All are the rear DPUs of this loaded Jimmix coal. The that's all, folks.